Dennis, coming to you live from the Grand Carnival event here at Kings Island. Mardi Gras in July? Sure, why not? This event only goes for a couple weeks here at Kings Island. I decided to come out here, check it out, because I just wanted to see what it was all about. I like Mardi Gras. Being from St. Louis, we know all about Mardi Gras there. While we're not quite as big as New Orleans, we do a nice little parade there around that time of year. Usually Mardi Gras in February. For some reason, they're doing it last couple weeks of July and August here at Kings Island. I got here around Park Open today. I've been hanging out all day. I was at Holiday World yesterday. It was super hot, about 100 degrees there. Today it's only 90, and it's amazing how much better that feels by comparison. But yeah, like I said, been here hanging out all day, having a good time in the park, got some rides on all my favorites like Orion, Diamondback, did a bunch of rides on the Beast already. I know there's a parade tonight, so we're gonna check that out. But for now, let's just kind of go around and explore and see what this event is all about. All right, let's get right on Banshee. I rode this earlier in the front row. It was pretty amazing. I also rode it in back row last time I was here, and it was excellent. I really go back and forth as to which I like better, this or Alpengeist. They're both pretty amazing. So yeah, really, really good inverted coaster here. Let's hop on it. Just got it right on Banshee. Man, I love that inverted coaster. I was back row. I did front row earlier. I did back row my last visit to this park, and I have to say, this, I don't know, it might be the best inverted coaster out there, at least the best inverted that I've rode. It's better than any of the Batman clones that I've been on. It's better than Raptor at Cedar Point. I also think, it's hard for me to say it's better than Alpengeist. I feel like it's very comparable though. Like I go back and forth on that as to which one of them I like more. I think they're just both really, really good. But back row on Banshee in particular, it just feels like you're floating. I don't know, there's something about like seeing the whole train move in front of you as you're going through the course. It's really, really well done. So just love this inverted coaster so much. All right, let's get on the Bat. Since we're right here, we're right next to it. I found out just this week that the Bat used to be quite different. Apparently, when it first came into operation, it was called the Bat, but it was just a different ride. It was more aggressive, and they had to take it out for some reason. I think it was something to do with like the trains were swinging too much, or it was just a little too powerful. But yeah, I've been seeing all kinds of stuff on like social media talking about how this ride used to be very different than how it is now. So let's check it out. I do like this one. It's a lot of fun. This and Iron Dragon are just really, really fun coasters of this type. Just got it right on the Bat. I was sitting near the back. That's a pretty good hanging coaster. If you come here in late July, probably August, it's this way too. Probably all the way up until the leaves fall off the trees. The trees are literally coming in right around that thing. I think the roller coaster is what they used to trim the trees with, basically, because like you're going through the woods there, and they're just on all sides of you. Like you could reach out and touch them at a few points on it. It's a really fun ride though. Really, really cool. I do like it quite a bit. It's an older ride, but still is a good time.
Heute ist ein schöner Tag und weißt, was ich dir sag? Hey, ja ho, wir feiern heute ein Fest und keiner. Hey, ja ho, die Musik ist laut, wir sind gut gelaunt. Weißt, was jetzt passiert? Hast du schon probiert? Die Nacht ist so jung, Leben ist so bunt.
I happen to know for a fact that Area 72 has been housing a
Heute ist ein schöner Tag und weißt, was ich dir sag? Hey, ja ho, wir feiern heute ein Fest und keiner.
You know, I know a lot of people will say that Millennium Force and Fury is better than this one, and they're right, it is, but Orion's still a really, really good Giga Hyper. It's a Giga, it's not a Hyper, and it's definitely not a Giga Hyper, but yeah, still really, really good Giga Coaster. Lots of fun, and definitely a ride that warms up as the day goes on. This is running differently than it did when I rode it earlier today. It's about 6 o'clock now, super hot out still, but it runs much better as the day goes on. Love this one quite a bit. It's really good. All right, this is like my 6th or 7th visit to Kings Island now, and I've never done the Zephyr, the swings that are behind me here. So I decided to hop on them really quick. They're fun, man. That's a nice little swing. Good cycle, really fast. Doesn't take you too high, but just high enough that you really feel it. You get some good views up there too. So yeah, that was a lot of fun. All right, let's swing back around here and see what we can hit. We're gonna head over towards the Beast, Mystic Timbers, and of course Diamondback. Also, in a few hours, there's going to be a parade. All right, guys, I just checked the channel, and we hit 400 subscribers on there. Holy heck, I never thought we'd actually get to 400 subscribers on this channel. That's amazing. I appreciate every single one of you. So in honor of that, we're going to ride what I think is the best wooden roller coaster on the planet, and that is the Beast, okay? Well, the best old school wooden roller coaster on the planet, okay? Yeah, the Beast. Love this thing. Let's do it. Thank you guys for 100 subs. Appreciate every single one of you. Let's go. I know some people say it's too rough, but man, I will always love the Beast. That ride is awesome. I love that old wooden roller coaster. It is so, so good. All right, I'm gonna grab some food here because it's getting to be that time again where I can get food here again at the park. So we're gonna eat a little food, and then we'll probably ride Diamondbacks. I think I'm gonna go to the little place to eat right next to Diamondbacks. So yeah. right, it's not quite dark yet, but it's getting there. So let's get a ride on Mystic Timbers. Love this one. Such a good ride. Let's go.
Heute ist ein schöner Tag und weißt, was ich dir sag? Hey, jaho, wir feiern heute ein Fest und
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, due to circumstances beyond our control, the Grand Carnival Spectacle of Color Parade has been modified this evening for the safety of both performers and guests. Now, on with the show!
heute ist ein schöner Tag und weißt, was ich dir sag? Hey, jaho, wir feiern heute ein Fest.
Like the video.
Yes, let's go! Woo! Oh, come on, come on, come on! Hey! Carnival! 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 Carnival!
All right, well, we just saw the parade. That was pretty cool, but it's about 20 after 9. I think there's enough time for a night ride on the Beast. Let's go do that. If we have time, I'll try to get a night ride on Orion, too. I don't know if that's going to happen. We're going to see. I just had an absolutely legendary night ride on the Beast. That ride in the dark, there's nothing else like it. You know, I thought Outlaw Run was the best night ride ever. No, it's that coaster right there. That thing is phenomenal. And in the dark, wow. Hands down, the best night ride of my life. I would say that's pretty close to a spiritual experience for me, actually. That was really, really good. All right, I'm gonna get out of here, guys, because Kings Island is closed. I'm one of the last people here for the night, so if you like the video, like the video. Also, consider subscribing, because that really does help me out quite a bit. Next vlog, probably back at Six Flags St. Louis, doing something there, and we'll be checking out some stuff for Halloween, as well as Christmas, when it eventually rolls around. All right, guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I will see you all later.
Heute ist ein schöner Tag und weißt, was ich dir sag? Hey,